So it's better do this. Better give something whole. Many years ago, there's one Singapore scientist come to see me. He get a grant of the Singapore government. He extract the polysaccharide from Ganoderma. Okay. He told me that he will produce an injection polysaccharide to the cancer patient. Okay. He said we will become rich. Okay, with technology. I told him no, I will not go for this kind of product because you spend a lot of effort, to extract the polysaccharide from this thing, and how much are you going to sell? If you follow the Japanese, this thing is $1,500 ringgit, okay, the time is about 3. Let's say $500 per injection. Okay, if you sell $500, nobody will buy from you. They better buy from Japan. Why should they spend the same amount of money to him? Let's say you're selling 400. People still feel that I extra 100. I better go for Japan. Why should I use the Singapore product? Okay. If you sell 200, people say this is a fake one. It may not be true. So I say no way you will succeed now. And I told them, Ganoderma is the only food that's good for cancer that you can ingest orally. Do you know that? To fight the cancer. It's the only oral food that you can take. Most of cancer they have to inject, and very costly of the injection, a few $100 per the injection. He do not believe, Usually after that he collapsed on bankrupt. So when you're in DXN, don't go for the micronutrient, and don't go for the micro syndrome. Micro syndrome, they keep asking me, the blood, what is the many people give me the blood test, everything, ask me to analyze the blood test for them, I say we do not do that, Because this is micro analysis. Micro analysis is very misleading. All of you know Bruce Lee? Bruce Lee, Kung Fu fighter, So at the age of 32, when he go for blood test, wow, look at beautiful blood, As good as 18 years old. Come up with a newspaper, After 1 week, he died. Because your body, blood is very important to you, Your body will try its very best, to maintain so that your blood will be okay inside your body. So when you check nothing wrong with the blood, there may be something wrong with the body already. If there's something wrong with the blood, definitely you're wrong. Something is very wrong. But that time already too late, Okay, we as a macro, this thing, we form the language of the body. We can know what happened to the body, Long before the micro analysis, Okay, long before that. I give you one example. Many years ago, one member, after taking this Ganoderma, is suffering from vertigo. Then agitated, become angry very easily. I told him that you have liver problem. He said no. I just go for blood check, My liver is perfect, He bring the blood check, all the what they call, all the liver index, everything. How can you say that my liver is a problem? Are you more clever than the doctors in the clinic or in this thing? Because he said, I told him the story of Bruce Lee. I say when your blood test is good, doesn't mean that you're good. But your blood test is bad, definitely you're bad. Okay, now your liver is okay now. By the time when it shows the liver something wrong, it is already too late. Don't wait until the thing. We say prevention is better than cure. If you can't even predict how to prevent, I told him something wrong, but he do not believe in me. After 1 year, he met me again. The time I go to Penang branch, he met me again. He told me, Dr. Lim, I have acute liver cancer. Half the liver already operated and throw away. Now I remember your advice 1 year ago about my liver. What should I do now? I say now since you are diagnosed cancer, after operation you must go for mega dosage. Then he used the calculator. Oh, it's so costly, You're killing me, You're killing me, Then he asked me second time, Dr. Lim, how much should I take? I say mega dosage. Oh, it's about again, Then I explained to the member, After some time, he asked me, Dr. Lim, how many pairs should I take? I think mega dosage, Come out again, This is very costly. And I asked him, you come here. What advice do you want me to give you? You want me to give you health advice or financial advice? Even financial advice, I tell you how to become diamond, how to make money. But now you are having cancer, you're running against the time, You want medical advice from me, but you keep on talking about money, If you want to solve the money problem, you go and become diamond in the extent, These are things. But if you want to solve this problem, mega dosage. And he buy on the spot, we take 35. So these are the things that we do not give micro. This is the thing. And because of the macro symptom, we can know what happened inside the body long before the micro analysis. We have a lot of this kind of experiences now. We have a lot. Yeah. But today I cannot tell you too much. But one day I think I will restart the genotherapy. Then we go for an advanced reflexology. Advanced reflexology, then will tell you about the liver system, the kidney system, all the system, and what are the reactions that associated with this system, and what the meaning of this reaction. This one, I cannot simply teach to the market, If I simply teach the market, the MOH, the Minister of Health, they will create some problem. These are the thing that we are teaching the medical science to the non-medical people. These are the thing. But now, I over the years, I become more and more wise. More and more clever maybe because of overtaking of this thing. So now we go for nutrition teaching. So nowadays I less and less using genotherapy, pure therapy. So I coined the word of macro nutritional science. Macro. You don't talk about vitamin, Don't talk about vitamin, minerals, starch, everything. Macro. We go for macro. When you talk about granuloma, then you talk about granuloma. When you talk about spirulina, talk about spirulina. You don't break down spirulina into proteins. Into chlorophyll. Now you broke down the protein. People say I should take egg. You break down into chlorophyll. Then they say I take green vegetable. Then at the end he feel that he do not need to take granuloma. You don't need to take spirulina. But spirulina is very different from green vegetable. Many other nutrients still inside it. We doesn't know. Okay, so better we teach spirulina as spirulina. Yeah. Yeah, that will be given.
It's like what is written on the label. You cannot really add
Yes. No, that one we do give. No, because just now he mentioned about vitamin, Yeah, you see, we will put this kind of nutritional facts. A certain country demand by law, like European country, then we put. But many countries is not demand by law. Then we may not put, This thing. Yeah. Yeah, then we will put. Yeah.
Like what you write in that music is more than good. Our program keeps it. It's written nutrition value. If you see Kabuzi, it's written there from Gibbs. She asked something like this. This I believe.
Yeah, here's the thing.
Yeah. It's simple nutrition, not micro.
So actually, like this Kokozi, we do put in the thing required by law. Okay, breaking it down. These are the thing. So when this one is required, we can provide this information to you. Okay. So now in Europe, basically all the products we are putting like that. These are the thing. So if there is this thing, but not all the specific ingredient. We just give the general ingredient. Yeah. That one we can give, no problem. I can give it to you. Yes. Yeah. Then we can give. Yeah, general nutrition. Okay. The one we can give. No problem. Next.
Okay. Is it suitable for the pregnant woman and children to take cordyceps? And if yes, from what age?
Cordyceps, when you talk about cordyceps, you must know the technology. Okay? Many cordyceps in the market,
It was my question.
they are water extracted.
It was my question.
Okay? When they are water extracted, then
my
you
question.
have problem.
Yeah, really?
They use water to boil. Okay? Boil. After that, they evaporate away the water. After you evaporate away the water, they put in the maltodextrin to make it into powder. Then they make it into capsule. you do not take the kind of cordyceps. You know why? Cordyceps, nothing wrong. No. Something wrong with the water. Because, okay, you use water to boil. Okay, water may contain some impurity in the water. If you drink 1 glass of water, no problem. Impurity not too much, no. But if all the water evaporated away, it becomes concentrated. You're concentrating. You're not only concentrating the cordyceps, no. You also concentrate the impurity of the water, and that one will destroy your kidney. Will destroy your this thing. That's why you look into the internet, no. They say don't take adenoma, don't take this cordyceps, because some people after taking, their kidney is destroyed. So you ask yourself, what type of product are they taking? Our one is different. No? Our one is a all natural extraction. Okay, we're using air by separation by our technology. Our technology is the same. No, we will calculate how much is the centrifugal force, how to take to separate the active and non-active ingredient. That is a salient characteristic, salient feature of DXN. Okay, so our product are 100% natural, 100% natural. I give you one example. No, recently there's one lady in Germany, and she have a lot of a skin problem. No, skin problem, and married for many years. At the age of 36, still do not have child, and try the test tube baby, try so many things. No, they still couldn't have child. No, so then I told them, okay, if you have child, let us treat the skin first. So we started to treat the skin. No, and the happy thing is that halfway through the treatment, she became pregnant, naturally. Okay. Then after that, the child come out 3 kilo. No, it's very heavy. This thing, the mother are so confident with our products. No, in breastfeeding, so he used his hand to to touch the GL powder and let the son suck the GL. In a few weeks time, it become 9 kilo. No, become very super active. This is the thing. The same thing with cordyceps. Okay, when people ask you from what age you can take cordyceps, this thing, no. You know what's our standard answer? From womb to tomb. During the pregnancy, they can take, until the day they say bye bye. They can take.
This is a different question. Thanks, Dr. Lim, for a nice and valuable speech. And sorry for this question. Many people asking this question. We all really proud of your pray for your health and long life from the heart of bottom of our heart. What's the future of DXN after Dr. Lim? We know the answer, but I would like to hear from you. Love you, doctor.
What happened if I touch wood? Bye bye. What happened to DXN? This is a very good question, You see DXN. What is the difference between DXN and other company? Other company, first thing first, they always give you a big picture of the founder, am I right? Keep on talking about the founder and everything. DXN, no, like that, no. DXN, when you first see DXN, what you first see? You see the farm, you see the factories, you see all the activities, no. Then eventually you know me. This thing. You do not promote me when you promote DXN. You promote the factory, you promote the farm and everything. Of course, I am important for the DXN. I'm the founder. Okay, in DXN. Okay, you must understand, we are the technocrat. When we technocrat, whatever we do, we always have safety factors. For example, if I do computer, I need to backup, we always back up 3 copies. Not 1 copy, 2 copies. And these 3 copies cannot save in the same place. Whatever, the burglary have come, whatever, the fire, this thing. So this 3 copies must put into 3 different places. This backup of the computer system. So when you do backup also, don't put all the backup into 1 drawer, that's very risky. Put into 2 places, okay? Then we also train, the DXN is run by system. DXN is not run by me. I am one of the few CEO, never go report to the office one, Most of the time I'm outside, Most of the time I'm not in the office. So how do you get your bonus? How do you get the products? Because the system is running. The system is running.